Hi everyone, we're at 814 Leslie Street in Cobourg. This spacious 2-bedroom townhome bungalow is situated in a great area, close to schools, shopping, and a real short drive to the 401. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll view the spacious and bright living and dining areas with gas fireplace. It's open to the renovated kitchen with a lot of cabinet space. The primary bedroom is grand, with a dreamy 4-piece ensuite with soaker tub and walk-in shower. The main level has an additional 2-piece bath and a laundry room. The grand spiral staircase takes you upstairs to the loft. There's an additional upstairs bedroom with double closets and a 4-piece ensuite. The basement is very large, offering a lot of storage, and it has a good-sized workshop. Additional great features is the double-car garage and the very private deck.